Dear passengers, we are now coming into Stockholm Central. It is the final stop for this train. We will be arriving on track 5 and the doors will be open on the right hand side of the train's travel direction. Before you exit the train, please make sure you have everything with you off the train. And those of us who worked on this train, thank you for choosing Matatalk and wish you a pleasant day.
Good morning and a warm welcome on board MS Prince Carl Philip and his fully booked tour to the Drottningholm Palace. A little bit about the route. We are now heading straight westbound. We are sailing on the freshwater Lake Mälaren. Lake Mälaren is also the freshwater reservoir of Stockholm City and many other cities along its 160-kilometer stretch inland. Lake Mälaren is also the fourth largest lake in Sweden and plays a big part in Sweden's history. As you're gonna see on the way, Lake Mälaren also consists of many small islands. We sometimes call it the inner archipelago of Stockholm. Interestingly enough, this ship was constructed originally in 1901 as a combined passenger and cargo steamship. She was ordered for traffic actually here on Lake Mälaren. She was built as a year-round ship, heavily reinforced to handle the sometimes very harsh ice conditions here in the winter months.
Infamé in form, ça me fait un poids.
In a couple of minutes, we'll arrive on the Drottningholm. Please take a look around, make sure you haven't forgotten anything on board. Please note that this boat will leave directly back for Stockholm again. Boat back to Stockholm today is now at it was supposed to be at 11 o'clock, but now we're late. And then the next one is at around 1 o'clock. And the next one around 3 o'clock. And the last one around 5 o'clock. This means that 5 p.m. is the last boat to go back to Stockholm. With that said, we wish you that you have a pleasant stay here in Drottningholm. And thank you for choosing Stockholm. And welcome aboard again.
Tisha me bosse gubeto mita Frisa viasi munsem do sopa Na donkwa ni eni da so O do ye uminiwa O shemi bo Oh my tia miniwa Oh shemibo Shame boy, shame boy.
He was very tired, but
Yeah.
he really guided me very well. He's an excellent guide. Yeah.